Jai Nepal, I am Dilip Kumar Yadav. In this video, I will discuss on the topics operating system and definition of operating system, function of operating system, types of operating system. Actually, operating system is a system software. Operating system is a system software which control and coordinate overall activities of computer system. In general word, we can define operating system is a system software. It is a system software which control and coordinate over all activities of computer system. Operating system is a system software which control and coordinate overall activities of computer system. कि operating system आफैमा एउटा के हो त सिस्टम सफ्टवेयर हो. आफैमा के हो त सिस्टम सफ्टवेयर हो जसले कम्प्युटरको सबै क्रियाकलापलाई नियन्त्रण गर्छ, कन्ट्रोल गर्छ र कोर्डिनेट गर्छ. के कोर्डिनेट गर्छ भने इट्स कोर्डिनेट अदर एप्लिकेसन सफ्टवेयर अरू एप्लिकेसन सफ्टवेयरहरूलाई के गर्छ त सहयोग गर्छ, रन हुन सहयोग गर्छ. अब operating system, without operating system computer cannot perform any task. Without operating system or in absence of operating system computer cannot perform any task. Even computer cannot start. Operating system, we can compare operating system as human soul. Without soul our body cannot function. Same in computer system, without operating system computer cannot perform any task. So the definition of operating system is a system software which control and coordinate overall activities of computer system. Computer system को सबै क्रियाकलापलाई र अरू एप्लिकेसन सफ्टवेयरलाई के गर्छ त operating system ले रन हुन चल्न के गर्छ सहयोग गर्छ. यदि कम्प्युटरमा operating system छैन भने हामी अरू एप्लिकेसन सफ्टवेयरहरू त्यहाँ रन गर्न मिल्दैन. Even we cannot start computer. फंक्शन अफ अपरेटिंग सिस्टम. अब अपरेटिंग सिस्टमले के फंक्शन गर्छ, अपरेटिंग सिस्टम किन कम्प्युटरमा चाहियो? देयर आर मल्टिपल फंक्शन अफ अपरेटिंग सिस्टम. एमंग देम सम आर बूटिंग द कम्प्युटर. द फर्स्ट फंक्शन अफ अपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज बूटिंग द कम्प्युटर. कम्प्युटरलाई बुट गर्छ. बुट मिन्स स्टार्ट, अन गर्नु. कम्प्युटरलाई अन गर्नु भनेको के हो त बुटिङ अथवा बुट भनिन्छ. अब बुटिङ पनि टु टाइप्सको हुन्छ, वार्म बुटिङ एन्ड कोल्ड बुटिङ. अर्को फंक्शन के छ भने आईओ म्यानेजमेन्ट, इनपुट आउटपुट म्यानेजमेन्ट. द नेक्स्ट फंक्शन अफ अपरेटिङ सिस्टम इज आईओ म्यानेजमेन्ट. अपरेटिङ सिस्टम अल्सो म्यानेज इनपुट एज वेल एज आउटपुट डिभाइसेस. मेमोरी म्यानेजमेन्ट, फाइल मैनेजमेंट, and peripheral devices. Management. Okay. The function of operating system are booting the computer. It helps to boot the computer, start up the computer. IO management, input output management. Memory management. Operating system also manage the memory of computer systems. File management. It also manage the file. And peripheral device. It check the peripheral devices. Peripheral devices means those devices which works with computer by externally connected. That are peripheral devices such as printer, scanner, CCTV camera, pen drive, CD, DVD-ROM. They are peripheral devices. And the function of operating system is booting the computer, IO management, memory management, file management, peripheral devices management. These are the basic function of computer system. Okay. Next, the types of operating system. The operating system can be categorized into two groups. Operating system can be categorized into two groups on the basis of user interface, on the basis of user mode, on the basis of user interface and on the basis of user mode. On the basis of user interface means how user interact with computer, how user interact with computer, that is user interface. कि युजरले कम्प्युटरसित कुनै पनि टास्क युजर र कम्प्युटरको बीचमा कसरी परफर्म भइरहेको छ, that is user interface. User mode means how many users simultaneously can access a single operating system, कि एउटा अपरेटिङ सिस्टमलाई कतिजना युजरले साइमल्टेनियसली एकैसाथ कतिजना युजरले एक्सेस गर्न सक्छ, that is user mode. So on the basis of user interface, operating system are of two types. CUI and GUI. Character user interface and graphical user interface. In character user interface operating system, to perform any task, user have to type or user have to provide command. To perform any task in CUI based operating system. But in GUI operating system, user do not have type or give command to computer to perform any task. GUI is very easy because it is icon based. It is iconless. CUI मा के हुन्छ भने आइकनहरु हुँदैन. अब आइकन भनेको स्मल पिक्चर हुन्छ जहाँ के हुन्छ त त्यसलाई डबल क्लिक गरेर काम हुन्छ, तर CUI मा त्यो फिचर्स अथवा फंक्शन्स फिचर्स छैन. बट इन GUI operating system there are available icons where user can click, where user can double click and perform any task. So GUI is popular and easy in use, but CUI is complex. Because to perform any task in CUI, we have to know the command or codes. Then we only can perform any task in a CUI operating system. But in GUI operating system, just you have to click on icon. To perform any task. But on the basis of user mode, operating system are classified into two groups: single user operating system and multi-user operating system. Single user operating system and multi-user operating system. Those operating system which can be accessed by single user, is known as single operating system. Example: Windows 7, 8, 10. Windows 7, 8, 10 are the example of single user operating system. Multi-user operating system means those operating system which can be accessed by multiple users, simultaneously. That is known as multi-user operating system. And examples are Linux, Unix, Apple OS are the example of multi-user operating system. Thank you.